Dive into the deep to uncover a whale's secret soundtrack. In 2014, mysterious sounds called biotwangs were detected near the Mariana Trench. These sci-fi-like noises baffled scientists. Initial thoughts? Whale calls, but no known species matched. Fast forward to now, researchers cracked the code. The culprits? Brydes whales. Observed near the Mariana Islands, these whales produced the unique biotwang sound. How did they figure it out? They used AI to analyze tons of underwater recordings, matching the sounds to Bryde's whale migration patterns. This biotwang is unique to a specific population of Bryde's whales in the Northwest Pacific, but why do they make these sounds? The mystery continues. Scientists think it might be a way for the whales to communicate or find each other in the vast ocean depths. Nature's got its own soundtrack, and it's more incredible than we ever imagined.